Welcome, reality designers. I'm going to get right into today's topic because it is essential that we talk about this topic of boundaries. What are they? And how can they help you? Because we need to know how to create boundaries. And when we have very clear boundaries, we have a healthier life in all areas of our life. And in today's fast-paced world, seriously, it's so fast. It's amazing how quickly time is just flying. And we lose sight of our own needs and limits. So setting and maintaining healthy boundaries is essential for our mental, physical, spiritual well-being, and relationships. Without boundaries, you do not have clear relationships. Boundaries are not about building walls. Absolutely not. They're about creating frameworks of self-respect and autonomy.